So this is our hotel number 2. Check-in muna kami. So, we're checking in here sa Royal... Sa Prince Smart pala. Prince Smart, Nagoya. Pasok muna ako, papating ko yung payong, and then we'll take you. This is the vibe inside. I must admit, I like it. I like it. I like it. Cute. Tapos, this is what you'll see when you get here. There's a coffee bar. Diyan din yung breakfast namin. So, let me show you the lobby. So, actually, it's so convenient kasi parang everything is so self-service. So, if you have luggage with you, you can just go here. Tapos, when you see this lock, parang pili ka lang ng number combination and then you lock it and that's the lock combination. Then, this is a self-check-in, check-out station. If you're not comfortable doing this, you could push the button for assistance. And then this is where you get breakfast, I think, ha? So, parang I think you just get a sandwich here. And yung mga soup. There are some items here. Coffee is only 100 yen. But I think plain coffee on my beer. And they have lots of stations for charging and stuff. So, we're not checked in yet kasi check-in is at 3. We're having lunch. So, tara, let's have lunch. This is what it looks like. This is the menu. So, Josh is having this one. Ako yung may miso kasi hindi ko pa siya natatry. So, this one. Yung 1. Tapos, I love tempura. So, ayun, yung summer vegetables at 300 yen. This is my order. So, I have the miso katsu na maraming green onions. Ito yung 90 grams. And I think it's more than enough for me. So, this is the 90 grams. Ito yung 200. Medyo malaki siya. Okay, ito yung parang ordinary katsu. So, this is Josh's order. Ang sarap din.
Ang layo niya sa kiwami.
Parang medyo fatty.
Loin nga lang siya. Mas masarap to kung tender lang.
Ang sarap.
Pero mas masarap yung sauce nung miso katsu.
We're having dessert here. Hopefully, they have pudding. Yun talagang cravings ko forever. For me, life-changing yung pudding dito sa Japan. But you have to find the right one. Naka-double, naka-semi-double. I think this is a queen. Tapos, may seating area na not common. Wala mini desk, katabi ng TV. And then yung ref, maliit. May view ba tayo?
Smart TV siya.
Okay, wali.
Pwede mo
Ay, okay. Love it. Ayan, smart TV. Which is uncommon din.
Oo.
Bathroom niya, malaki yung tub. Hindi siya yung... Maliit kasi yung sa... Ano namin. So, yan. Tapos, yung bathroom product, sarili nila. So, Prince Smart. Hindi siya Pola.
Oo.
Ko sure kung ito ba yung favorite Japanese chain ko. So we have lamb skewers, escargot, I forgot spinach and something, onion soup, pizza. Gusto ko yung may French, may parang Middle Eastern.
Oo.
It's really authentic Italian cuisine. Sobrang fun. For everything, I think we only spent 2,500 or something. San ka pa, di ba? Okay.
Bigat sa tiyan itong pasta.
So, dahil parang we're classy, hindi kami nagka-crop top because we're classy. Ano ba yung sabi? Ano ba?
Sabi mo dyan.
Yung ano, because it's not classy.
Sino nagsabi?
Yung sa TikTok, it's trashy.
Yung Inik Fashion interview.
Naka-lingerie.
Naka-night gown.
Yes. So, ang tagal ko na gustong itry itong escargot because I saw a bunch of teenagers order this last time. Itadakimasu.
Okay. Pwede pala lasa ng lab. Medyo maanggo nga siya.
Ang ingat. Napaso ako pero ang sarap. Oh my gosh. You have to try. First time ko i-try yung escargot. Wala siyang parang fishiness and sobrang tasty nung mga whatever it is na nasa kanya. This is the lamb skewers.
Masarap. Masarap yung fat.
It's not gamey. Tapos, alam mo, may chew. Ang sarap. I wouldn't have known nga na lamb siya eh. Yung white wine.
Ang lasa.
Saks lang.
Masarap. Parang vermentino. Fruity.
Ito yung parati namin ino-order na pizza. Masarap.
Masarap nga ito. Sige.
Onion soup. May kutsara ba dyan? Lumulutang-lutang yung bread, which is odd.
Masarap.
It's sweet. Sayang lang na nakadip yung bread. I wish hindi siya nakalublog.
Ang masarap na. May cheese.
Kung hindi nakalublob yung bread, 5 crazy coins siya. Ang sarap sana nung crunchy ididip mo. Medyo maingay. Puro kabataan ngayon. Usually parang old people yung nakita namin. Pero this time, sobrang daming bagets. Parang feeling ko early 20s tong mga to. Naglalasingan. Here. Good morning. It's breakfast time. So we're here at the lobby lounge and this is the breakfast. So breakfast today are hot dogs and anko sandwich. And then there's a soup cup. Please feel free to take it. Okay. And then we also have free coffee along with that. But it's really just simple coffee. And then we're toasting our bread. Ayan. So, yung iced coffee namin, ganito lang siya. And then we have these, yung parang mga coffee things. And then this is our view. So overall, it's not so bad. Kaya it wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting a katsu sando kasi lahat ng napanood ko, it was katsu sando. Okay, so this is a better view of breakfast. Tinost namin yung bread. I think mali na tinost namin yung kay Josh kasi nagmelt yung butter. Actually, nagmelt yata siya sa toaster. I'm so sorry. Ayan, so parang may hot dog ako. And then we also have free coffee. And we have soup. This is breakfast. This is the soup. Sausagey.
Nakabibi pa ito mo. Ito.
Sarap. So, hindi siya yung katsu sando na ina-expect ko. Pero masarap din. Pati yung kay Josh, masarap din. Kaya lang nalimutan ko mag-video.
Yung bot.
Hiwain siya. Non-alcoholic. Bakit from Daiso? 500 yen yung drink. Not bad. Coffee, free. UCC yata tong coffee. Sarap. Hindi siya yung sobrang busog na breakfast, pero alam mo, not bad na siya. I hope lang magbago yung kind ng sandwich tomorrow. Based dun sa mga napanood kong vlog, everyday kasi silang katsu sando saka yakisoba something, yakipan everyday. So, ganun yung ina-expect ko. Anyway, ayan. Later. So, coffee is more expensive than the usual. As you can see, it's 800 yen. Tapos may ganito rin sila. And this is the lunch menu. It's 11 to 2. So, in 5 minutes, pwede na siya. Sudoria. And then, we have pastries here. Again, on the pricier side. Kasi 900 yung strawberry shortcake. Ayan. I'm not sure kung ano tong isa. Yun. So, parang medyo hotel price, no? Pero I guess you're paying for the view or something. Surprisingly, ang konti ng tao. So, yeah. We're finally seated. We already have our menu. We're both having the lunch menu. So ako, I'll have the beef stew. Josh will have the tandoori chicken. But, look at the view. Diba? So, parang you don't have to pay for an observatory for this view. Actually, di naman kailangan lunch set orderin mo. Pwede kang umorder ng ibang items. Pero for us, I think it's sulit yung 1,760 for the lunch set. This is our order. So, this is the chicken tandoori ba? Then, mine is the beef stew over there. Ayun yung tiramisu. In fairness, mukha siyang masarap. I heard masarap daw tong ham sandwich. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang daming paandar. So, for 1,700, I think that's really great value for money. You get this view. Tapos, parang yung lunch na ganyan. Punta lang kayo na maaga kasi nung nag-CR ako, ang haba na nung pila. I think everyone wants the window view. If you don't want the window view naman, hindi mo naman kailangan pumila ng ganun kahaba. Pero, diba, it's so nice. So, punta kayo around 10, 11.
Kasi yung parang binigay ni Leia, yung carrot.
Parang, so, ito yung beef stew. Masarap talaga. It's rich, tapos flavorful. It's not salty. Parang saks lang yung pagka-salty niya. May konting sweetness. Tapos sobrang tender ng beef. This is the sandwich. Siguro ang kulang lang for me dito sa beef stew is gusto ko ng mashed potato or rice or bread.
Victoria, okay naman.
Ang sarap din ng sandwich.
Super init pa lang sa akin.
Salad standard lang siya. Check yung kay Josh. So, this is my Darjeeling tea. Tapos, ayan yung kay Josh. Ah! Refillable na. American or blend?
American.
American coffee. Tapos, tinry ko tong tandoori something niya. Sobrang init, Diyos ko. Pasu-paso na naman me. Pero masarap.
Oo.
Okay. This is my drink. So refreshing. Overall, ang sarap talaga. Sobrang sulit nung 1.5. I mean, it's not the fanciest or whatever. Ito na yung tiramisu.
No problem.
Tapos, may nama chocolate pa siya. Ang harap. So rich. Sobrang winner nung nama chocolate. Fun. Cute. Para siyang... Wala na doon?
Meron sa paikot yata.
Para siyang Mind Museum. Pero this is free. Do you know what mineral struck? Pwede mo siyang anuhin. May museum guide ako. So, yung museum guide... So, parang lalagay mo lang yung number so that you get an explanation. So, ang bagal. Ayun pala. Sasagutan natin siya, kaya lang hindi naman natin maintindihan. Yung alin? So, walang pagkain.
Lax outfitters. Pala yung mga ano.
So, we are here having dinner at Ikinari Steak. I got the wild steak. Tapos, Josh got the Aussie version. So, yun. And then, if you want some rice and soup, you add 420 yen. I did. Si Josh, wala siyang inad. And then, for the doneness, I'm actually not sure kung ano gusto ni Josh na doneness. Pero, ayan. Thank you. So, for me, I got medium rare. Actually, for both, we got it medium rare as recommended by the person. Similar to the one in the Philippines, meron ding soup. Ayun. So, can't wait. Let's try the soup. Parang nilaga lang. This is my order. So this is the 200 grams. Ang dami nung kanin. Oh my gosh. And this is the 300 grams. So lalagyan natin siya ng sauce. Ano sabi niya?
Ganun daw. I-shake ko daw.
Okay, hahalu-haluin.
Shake ko kaya. Kailangan ko malaman mo ano yun. I-shake ko. Ako. Kasi bumili ka rin lang.
Oo.
Pwede siguro nagganito.
Alright. Bibi, tignan mo kung gaano karami yung tumalsik.
Parang wala naman sa akin. Wala.
Sarap. Magkaiba tayo. Ay, sorry, ang laki na nakuha ko. Okay. So, tatry ko yung kay Josh. Yung sa kanya, Aussie. Yung sa akin, US. Medyo na-toast siya. It's hard to tell the difference, pero masarap din. Ikaw ba, paano naman pinagkaiba? Happy naman ako. We're here at the Oasis 21 bus station. I guess nandito na yung parang touristy. We should have checked it out pala while waiting. No? Anyway, so if you're going to Nakashima Onsen, most likely it's like 10. Yung parang entrance 10, like gate 10 or whatever, platform 10. Anyway, we're in line. We're waiting for the bus. So it's also 10 a.m. Meron ding 9 a.m. Meron ding 11 a.m. So we're just waiting to board. So may dala kaming swimming costume. And we will see if... Feeling ko naman yung 1,000 yen difference. Worth it na siguro yun. Let's go. Okay, we're finally here, Nagashima Spaland. Actually, it's right next to the outlet. So if you want to do some outlet shopping, pwede na rin here. We're getting some tickets. We're doing both the amusement park and water park. Medyo mahaba pala yung pila. So, 7,500, tama ba? White passport. Oo, 7,500. Finally here. Sobrang maaraw, pero for some reason, hindi siya impyerno. Okay, so unahin muna namin yung theme park bago yung water park. From the outside, akala ko walang tao, pero ang dami pala. So we'll see. I love it. Parang ang konti na. Ayun yung go-karting, no? Ha? Ayun yung gusto mo, di ba? Okay. So, first, space shot. Pero hindi yan yung may flying fiesta eh. Asan kayo? Ato, ay. Okay, after many rides, siguro naka 6 rides na ba tayo or what? Ayan yung roller coaster. I just got off from that ride. That was super fun. I mean, albeit masakit siya sa katawan, pero fun. We're having lunch. So, sa akin is parang Locomoco Burger.
Ano lang, yung vibration, kamusta?
Okay lang naman.
Pero nagwa-vibrate siya.
Hindi ko masyadong napansin. Mas more on yung pag-toss sa'yo sa gilid sa... Okay naman to for 1-4.
Grabe yun.
We're coming home from the resort. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi nilagay na lang namin lahat ng things sa locker. But here are a few clips clips of our adventures inside the water resort. Honestly, I don't think it's something I would like completely recommend. It's something you could do in the Philippines actually. Like most of the slides naman you could find elsewhere. Tapos, siguro ang nakaka-culture shock for us was the lack of shower rooms. So, puro changing rooms lang. So, we're going back to the hotel and doon na mag-shower. We are freshly showered from our hotel. So, dahil hindi kami nakapag-shower sa Negasio Maspalan because of the lack of showers, medyo nakaka-culture shock yun for us. Nag-shower muna kami. And then, now we're here. So, nasa Sakae area uli kami. We are going to have katsu. I think that's one of the food na mamimiss ko dito sa Nagoya kasi masarap siya. So, pwede tayong pumasok kung bukas pa siya. Kung hindi, pwede naman sa labas na lang tayo maglakad. May FEU. Charot. May mga merch sila. Ang cute.
Gusto mo?
580 yan. Ang konti nung malalagay na coffee. For me, I'm getting this, yung loin tonkatsu. Actually, parang yung recommended nila is this one. Pero double kasi siya. And I don't think carry ko yung dalawang ganon. So, yung isa lang ako. Then, si Josh, he will have the fillet tonkatsu na parang nasa sizzling whatever. Thank you. One, wala nung paandar na ibubuhos yung miso sa harap mo. I love that. Jarell would love that actually. Anyway, nag-instax ako just to remember miso. Okay, let's try this. Gosh, baka magsisi ako na isa lang in order ko. Pero ang laki niya ha. Okay. It's delicious, pero iba yung level ng fattiness dun sa first resto natin. Parang mas juicy, thicker. I don't remember if it's more expensive. Baka mas expensive yung sa first resto namin. Pero may discount kami. Pwede pa rin bumalik doon. Pero it's equally as yummy yung taste. Pero yung parang mouthfeel, I like the other one better. Or maybe I have to give this one another chance. Pero this is still super delicious. What's bothering me is wala kaming sesame dressing for the cabbage.
Kasi yun na yata yung sauce. No, yung miso na yun.
Sad. So yun. Anyway, we'll have dinner and enjoy in peace. This is Josh's order and this is mine. I love na may paandar. This is Josh's order. Mas lean yung kanya. Okay. Mas walang fat, pero parang mas premium yung lasa. Though for me, I enjoy it with fat better. So siguro I'll stick with this order naman. Eventually, I realized na may fat din siya. Nasa middle lang. Ang harap. we're done having dinner. Diba sabi nila, wag po mag-grocery pag hindi ka busog. So we're here at a grocery store called Pantry. Not sure if this is fancy or if this is just typical. Or this is not like the typical Aeon Mart grocery store that we usually go to. Let me show you what's available. So, may mga crackers, 500 yen. Let's see yung parang siguro like things na bibilin ko. Like, a Belgian waffle is 498 yen. Ayan. May other forms of bread. And meron din dito, mga 1,000 yen. I think it's a little pricey if I'm being honest. So, ayan. Anyway, they also have fruits like pears. Tapos, ayan, parang may mga omelette. So, 880 yen. Salad. Dishes. Hindi siya naka-sale. 398. Yung potato salad, 298. Ayan. Yung bento is 450. No, hindi pala siya bento. Parang noodle set siya. I guess walang bento. Ubos na. Okay, even dito, hindi sila yung mga usual na nakikita ko. I can't even find my Yakult 1000. I was mistaken. Meron silang Yakult 1000. And it comes in a 6-pack. Pero, surprisingly, this is cheaper in daily. I think it's only 150 sa daily. Or, ito 162. Pero may regular Yakult sila. Pero, ever since going here, yung Yakult, hindi pala siya, Yakult 1000. So, Yakult 1000 na tayo. Anyway, ikot pa tayo sa grocery. I'm always fascinated with things that I can't find in the Philippines. So, namely, mga cheese. So, they have fun cheeses here. I know, like, hindi siya yung parang gourmet cheese, pero it's always so fun. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. The cheeses are not the fancy. May Arla. Parang naligaw yung Arla. Bila ko nakita ng Arla. Okay. So the cheeses are not the fanciest. Pero you could find the most fun cheeses. So may dessert cheese. Though personally, I don't really like these. Parang gelatinous yung texture niya for me. Like the smoked cheese. Pero seems like walang smoked cheese dito. Ayan. But, I could find like ganito, portion cheeses for 553. So, ayan, may parang olive oil and herbs. What did you get, Josh?
Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese.
Gusto ko ng crackers.
Okay. Ayan. Ito yung favorite ko. Oh my gosh. It's only 498 yen. So when you bite into this is super delicious. It's super smoky. Love that. Pwede kang iuwi yun. Am I allowed to take home the dairy products? Anyway. Ayan. Vegetables naman tayo. Just so that you can see how much the vegetables are. I think maganda sanang baseline yung toge. Pero it seems like walang toge dito. Ayun. I know. It's cabbage. Anyway, may toge. Mahal dito. Okay. Usually, para mga 30 yan lang yung mga cabbage na ganyan. Anyway. Ayan. So, cherry tomatoes, 498. Mas mura dun sa parang market sa amin. Medyo on the expensive side dito, no? Yung mga gulay. Cheaper dun sa malapit sa hotel. I should have taken videos there. Anyway, ito parang mga crackers and stuff. And that's basically it. Pero whenever I'm here, parang ayoko na umuwi. So it's always so much more fun. Okay, so let's go to the ice cream section. They have frozen yogurt. 250. So there's strawberry. Parang here, I I know I shouldn't eat ice cream all the time, pero kasi whenever I'm here, ang sarap ng ice cream. I should try something else. This is, I don't know actually. Kubota, something. This looks interesting. Okay. Meron din ganito. Oh my gosh. Kaka-ice cream ko lang kanina. Meron nakalagay pure milk ice cream. That looks divine. Parang mas niche yung mga ice cream here. Oh, coffee milk bar. Meron pa pala dito, matcha ice bar. Okay. Tempting, pero parang, creme ang mahal. 1,000 yung creme brulee. Okay. As much as I want to. Kakatempt talaga. Parang mas gusto kong itry yung ice cream sa 7-Eleven na cheesecake. It's more expensive then. Pero anyway, doon na lang. It's breakfast time at the hotel. It's already 9 o'clock actually. So today, it's a little more promising. So we have miso katsu sando. It's just fitting for Nagoya. Kasi, ayun, parang they're known for this. Toast muna natin. This is our breakfast bread. So finally today, may katsu sando na. I have a hot coffee, tapos may mga leftovers and grocery items. And of course, there's miso soup. So let's try the katsu sando. Medyo lumamig na siya from being toasted.
Ang tagal ko pa ito.
Kaka-picture namin yan. Anyway. Para siyang yung sa restaurant na miso katsu, malalasahan mo yung ganong flavor. Pero hindi na kasi crispy yung exterior ng katsu. Pero ganun naman talaga pag katsu sando, I guess. Still, it's so much better than yesterday's breakfast. We're done with breakfast, and dahil I have clothes that needs ironing and steaming, I borrowed this from the reception. So super gusot-gusot kasi nung damit ko after laundry. You know what? I'll show you how to do laundry after this. It's super fun whenever we have dirty clothes or we buy clothes here, we do the laundry. Anyway, don't be shy. Always ask if they have things that you need. So in this case, I have an iron. Tapos, they also gave me this like parang ironing pad. Lots of times I also borrow chargers, whatever. So yun. Anyway, di pa kami tapos. We'll just have some wine and cheese, and then I'll show you how to do laundry, and then we'll go out. Okay, as promised, I will show you how to do laundry here in Japan. So this is actually pretty standard. So most of the hotels that we stayed in, parating may laundry, and they always have these instructions that says they do not exchange money at the hotel. Tapos dito ka mamimili ng mga, ayan, sa washing machine, yung mga cycles and stuff. Tapos, you don't have to put soap and like conditioner anymore. And then this is the part where you set your password. So let me walk you through it. First, you open the laundry machine and then you put all your clothes. So lagay niyo lahat dyan. If you have delicates, you could put it in a laundry bag. If you please read the labels nung mga clothes na bibili niyo. So for example, in GU, there are a lot of clothes na hindi pwedeng machine wash. Like at home, I use a machine, pero kasi I don't use like a hot dryer. So this one, expect na mainit siya paglabas kasi may drying function siya. You could also do na walang drying function if you want to. Pero if you want to wear it kasi, diba, you have to dry it. So anyway, I tested one of the clothes. I know na medyo crazy yung ginawa ko. It's just, affordable naman yung nabili kong shirt na yon. So, medyo ready ako to sacrifice it. So that, kung nag-shrink man siya, I could buy a new one. And lo and behold, nag-shrink talaga siya. So please make sure to read the labels in case you're doing laundry here. Most likely mag-shrink talaga siya, especially the ones na for me yung mga knitwear na may mga synthetic fabrics, ganyan, nag-shrink talaga siya. So it's so sad. But again, mine was pretty affordable. So I'm okay naman. Kay Josh na siya kasi parang it became like a size smaller. Anyway, yun lang. Parang friendly tip lang siya. Anyway, if you're doing laundry, open the basket, put all your laundry. I think the max for the cycle that we chose is 3 kilograms. No need to put detergent. Select your course. Ours is always the orange one. So yung orange one is 120 minutes. That's 600 yen. So 3 kilograms siya, wash and dry. It depends then kung matutuyo sila completely. A lot of times, matutuyo sila completely. Pero if you're washing like outerwear, like coats, yon hindi sila natutuyo kagad. Wash. Ayan, yan yung mga ganyan. Tapos anyway, deposit coins, ours is 600. And then you select a 4-digit password. Make sure to take a picture of your password or whatever. Basta kailangan maalala mo siya. And then close the door and press the button to start. So, ito yata yung pang start or something or whatever. Or ito, yung, hindi ko na maalala. Anyway, basta may pipindutin dyan. I'm sorry, hindi masyadong useful. Anyway, yun. So, a lot of hotels, meron silang television sa room, tapos makikita nyo kung gaano pa katagal yung laundry nyo. So, parang yung mga timer yung, so makita mo 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'd see how long the laundry will be. So, yun yan. We're back in our room. So, ayan. I have the flat iron from the hotel. Ang taray, oh, pack. Diba? May pa-steam. And it's cordless. I'm sure it's not going to be the same for all hotels. Pero it's worth a try borrowing an iron if you want your clothes to be presentable. Yan. I have something to wear na. Here as a day activity, we're going to Osukanon Temple. It's actually really pretty. I'm surprised hindi ba namin siya ginagawa. But ayan, it's so pretty. Ganda. Parang maganda mag-picture. So, let's look for great photo spots. That's just across it, actually, or beside it, nandun yung Osu Shopping Street. So, punta tayo dito sa shaded area just so that I could show you how beautiful it is. Mauna na si Josh. Ayan siya. In all its glory. Ganda. Init. So, granted na yan. Since it's summer, expect na sobrang init. May tumatalsik-talsik. Di ba? Nagsaspray sila ng mist. Cool down visitors. Okay, ganda. Love it. This is the view from the top. Ayan siya. We're back at Osu Shopping Street. Ayan siya. Uy, may agepan. I haven't tried an agepan before. 330. Fries. May dango. 200. Medyo mahal. 140. They have clothes. Happier ako now kasi may mga food. So the last time we went here, gabi na kasi, wala masyadong food. And the food looks interesting. Mas parang street style siya. Pero kasi I want to see the gadgets na napanood ko sa TikTok. So there were people buying gadgets here, like cheap iPhones and stuff. So it's a long stretch. It's vibier pala in the morning. So if you're planning to go here ng mas maaga rather than na, ay, may serya. Oh my gosh. Siguro mag-serya muna kami. We are going to serya. So, always love going here. Actually, medyo parang Daiso lang naman siya. But, cuter yung items nila. So here they have dishware. Let me show you kung ganun ka-cute. So may mga bowls na may mga bear, floral design. Before, bumili ako ng mga platito na parang pusa. This is cute though. Ayan. May mga wheel. Ayan, may mga cats. Oh, there's an onigiri one. So cute. It's parang handmade vibe siya. And you love cats, no? Ayun, may pusa na naman. Parang bet ko yun. There's a bigger version na nabili ko. Love it. So, ganito yung binili ko before but smaller. I think I want that one. So, may mga stuff dito. But, yung mga favorite ko talaga sa Seria are the stationaries. Hopefully, we could find some stationaries that are good. Sabi ni ate, nung time niya, wala daw siyang nabiling nice stationaries. Okay. Though mas limited yung stocks dito, these are some of my favorites. So, in case you love letter writing, they still have a lot of cute stationery. So, this one is the dog version. I have the cat version. Love this. Ayan, may dog. Parang for Ina. And then, may mga floral usually. Money envelopes are usually cute. I can't find. Here. So, mas madami pa dito. I always buy money envelopes from Seria. Just so that, ayan, in case magbibigay ka sa inaanaks, you have cute money envelopes. They even have animal money envelopes. So cute. May frog. And my cat. Always cute stuff. Sadly, walang daisies. I always get the daisies, pero walang cute na floral. So yan, yun yung parang Seria in like a quick glance. Pero not sure if I'm buying anything. Yun yung mga gusto ko sana, yung parang mga cute na mga stationaries. Loko. I don't know. Stool seat cover. Tas pusa. It's so cute. Yung mga ganito cloths. Cute. So dito yung parang boss level ng mga used phones. Sobrang dami. Like, nasa tabi-tabi lang sila. You could even test them out. Ayan. You could even buy boxes. Kunyari, wala ka ng box ng iPhone mo. You could buy these. Or these. Ayan. Magkano sila? 1,080? Ay, tama ba?
Kahon lang.
Oo. Ayan. Tapos, you could even try kung gumagana yung mga bibilihin nyo. So, ayan. Let's go around. Baka may interest. Writing tablet. Love it. 980. Tapos may pang yung pangtanggal ng himulmol. 480. Gusto ni ate niyan.
Pero chargeable.
Ito, power bank. 880 yan. Mura yun. Ito naman yung mga MacBooks. So, they're 73,000, 63,000. MacBook Air. Ayan, may TP, and other laptops. Really interesting to see. Okay, check tayo ng mga gadgets. So, these are yung mga parang sale or mga used or whatever. Pause nyo na lang if you want to check the prices. So, punta tayo sa iPhone area. So, I have no intention of buying a new phone. But ayan. So, anyway, yung iPad, you can see 51,000, 67,000, 100,000. Dito, may mga Samsung phones, may mga Google phones din. Ayan yung mga prices. And if you're curious as to how much an iPhone is, so iPhone SE, 24,000. iPhone 12, 44,000. Merong 64GB lang, 28,000 na iPhone 12. Tapos, asan na ba? Yan. Ito yung mga more affordable ones, iPhone 8. They have switches. Hindi pa ito yung parang intense na sale. Let's look around. Baka may makita tayo. So, we're having coffee and tea first. So, I got cafe au lait, a chocolate cake, and Josh got a tea set. And I'm not sure kung ano talaga yun actually. Baka creme brulee cake based on what it looks like. Yeah, so cute. This is, I think, 580 yen. Tapos yung cake is 550. They also roast their coffee in here, and you can buy coffee and coffee things. Sarap. Now let's try the cake. Hindi ko sure kung masarap siya. Very dense and crumbly for some reason. Socks lang siya. Don't know how to feel about it. Very chocolatey. Pero, hindi siya light. Ewan. Pero, okay lang naman. Trying Josh's cake. Ito yung melt in your mouth. Direct translation to, oh my gosh, na-whipped cream ko yung camera ko. Melt in your mouth, really. Mas masarap yung kanya. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, sobrang sarap. Yeah, so, may chiffon, may whipped cream, may pudding, may creme brulee. Diyos ko. Versus mine, na puro dry lang. Okay, I'm having lunch here at Sukiya. So, tama ba?
Thank you for your order.
are having dinner at Udon Mentsurubi. Actually, I just finished shopping at Donkey. Hindi ko na kayo sinama kasi it's so overstimulating and alam niyo naman itsura siguro ng Donkey. Anyway, I got the Nagoya specialties. So, meron kaming miso katsu. Itong wings, I really wanted to try. Yung pepper wings. Itong dami, oh my gosh, parang bibitaya naman yung level. Tapos, this is the flat noodles. Na, ramen ba to o udon?
Kishimen.
Ayun. So, anyway, this is, I think, 1,500. Let's try. Okay, kalahati na lang ako para makita niyo yung food. Pero I feel like this is the best of Nagoya. Kasi for everything I want to try, nandito na. This is the flat noodles. And of course, we have the miso katsu. Pero yung miso nasa dulo, so masarap. And we have the pepper chicken. Yung pepper, parang medyo peppery. Ay, yung pepper yung chicken, peppery siya, salty. Parang may konting zesty flavor din siya for some reason. What I can see is simple lang yung mga flavors, but everything makes sense. Anyway, we'll just continue with our dinner. We'll go home and then we'll back. Last here at the hotel. And last day rin dito sa Nagoya. Ang dami ko na nakain bago ko na-realize that I wasn't vlogging. I have hot coffee. And parang may soup na miso, whatever. I don't know what it is. Thankfully, may katsu sando. Kinabahan ako nung una kong tingin sa screen kasi parang nakalagay doon. Parang bread selection. I hate that. So, buti na lang may second option na katsu sando. Hindi, ito yung favorite ko daw. Para mas gusto ko yung hotdog nung first day na hindi na namin na-try ula. That one's the best. Anyway, kakain lang ka na dadaan sa Family Mart. Just to get some things. See you later. We are going home. So, we took hindi siya limited express siya, no? Semi.
May reserve tsaka non-reserve seat.
It's only 980 yen versus yung mas expensive na train. Kaya lang, makikipag-unahan ka dun sa upuan. So, hindi guaranteed na may seat ka. This will only take 45 minutes. Tama ba? Tapos parang
1 hour.
13 stops. So, kung nagmamadali ka, I don't recommend this. Pero kung wala naman, kung chill lang, pwede na. It's really cheap. Yun. So, we rode this from Nagoya Station. Tapos, bago umalis, nag-prepare na ako ng mga stuff. Ooh! Not that. Ayan. So, mga baon sa plane. So, I have this, ano tawag dito? Butter bread from Family Mart. Tapos may mga pudding sa ilalim ng bag ko. And that's that. We are here at the airport. So, fit check. Ayan, ano ba? Anyway, ayan. This is my fit for the day. I'm just waiting for Josh. So he was just checking the lost and found place. And then we're going to Terminal 2. And it's kind of early actually. 1 something pa yung flight namin. Pero it's only 10:30. Super efficient talaga ng transpo dito. So we're heading home soon. Again, the train is so cheap. Love it here. We made it past security check. Na-confiscate yung 1 out of 3 puddings ko. Yung Ohio pudding na-confiscate yun. I'll show you what you can expect inside. So, first, may 10-man restaurant. So, yung price range niya, yung cheapest, I think, is 1,200. That's the vegetable tempura. Most expensive is yung Kobe beef box, 7,990 yen. And then there's another restaurant here na, again, medyo pricey din yung food. So, they sell a variety of snacks. And then there's a duty-free, hey, parang drugstore. I could still do last-minute shopping here. And I think the price is comparable to the ones outside naman. So, I wouldn't mind shopping here naman. And then there's a duty-free here. There's may mga Royce na snacks, liquor, perfume, and that's it. Medyo sad siya. Very limited yung choices ng restaurants. And then, let's go around. Ayun. Yun na siya. So, very basic. So, ito yung naging meal namin. This is 1,800 yen, yung curry. 240 yung cup noodles. And 190 yung drinks. If you don't want to spend too much on the curry, yun nga. Kasi ang mahal talaga ng lahat. Parang walang bababa ng 800. Yung cup noodles, 240 lang. And then may hot water naman near the bathroom. If hindi kayo masyado gutom. Pero yun, saksang kasi yung curry. Parang for me, hindi siya worth 1,800.